Again, third grade, I need you to think about the grammar. What does adjective modify? Adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. So adjective is for the noun or pronoun. So we're going to use the word iger and infirmus. Infirmus. Third grade, which family does infirmus come from? Infirmus comes from a us family. It ends with us. It comes from us family. And surprise, Eiger also is from us family because ending is also for us family. So these two both come from us family. So take a look at this sentence. Puer aiged. We have a sentence that says puer aiged. Now this translates to sick boy. Sick boy. Okay? Take a look at this sentence. Discipulus. Discipulus infirmus. Discipulus infirmus. This means the weak boy student. The weak boy student. Okay, so as you can see, third grade, what kind of boy is it? What kind of boy? Sick. Adjective. It's a what kind question. So we know that iged is adjective. Again, what kind of boy student? Weak. Adjective. So infirmus is adjective. Okay? And now this is an interesting thing, third grade. In English, adjective comes before the noun. It's sick boy, not boy sick, right? But in Latin, adjective comes after the noun. So it's puer aiged or aiged. Again, discipulus infirmus, adjective comes before or after, but in English, it's adjective and a noun. Now you have to flip those two in Latin. Okay? And notice how it's following the subject noun ending. Let's take a look at this sentence. Puella aiged. Now we have a sick girl. But notice third grade, our adjective needs to modify our noun, but our noun ending is a. But our adjective ending is So this is a problem because we do not have the subject noun and an adjective agreement. So make sure that your adjective has the same ending as your noun that you're modifying. So now this becomes Igera with the A ending because it needs to be the same as our noun and adjective. So Iger changes to Igra. Okay? Take a look at this one then. Oops, that's not a pretty handwriting. These scipula infirmus. The scipula infirmus. Now, third grade, what's the ending for our noun, subject, noun? A. It ends with A. But what's the ending for our adjective? Moose. Us. It's not in agreement. So what do? We make it the same. So drop the us ending and we're going to plug in the same ending as our noun. So infirma. Now we are happy because it's in an agreement. So we have a weak girl. Again, adjective, noun. Okay? So third grade, when two words have the same ending, that's a subject, noun, and an adjective. Because adjective always has to have the same ending as the noun. Okay? Then let's take a look at an example of a sentence. So we have medicus bonus. What do you think I'm going to write? Medicus bonus puerum. Let's write that on the bottom. Puerum. And I think I hear someone already translating it as I'm writing. You what? So I have a sentence that says medicus bonus puerum iuat. No need to worry because we're just going to find the verb first. What's the verb in this sentence? Emma, what's the verb? Iuat. And it ends with what? T. Perfect. Maverick, what does T mean? He, she, it in a present tense. Now then, what does iuo mean? Help. Now in this case, it's going to be he, she, it helps. Now I want to know who exactly helps. Who is doing the nice job? Luke, what's the subject noun? Medicus. And how do we know if that's the subject noun? Evan, how do we know if medicus is the subject noun? Because it ends with us. So we know then that's the doctor. Doctor. But is it just an any doctor, Libby? No, you'll notice that this word has the same ending as our noun. So I'm going to underline that, and that must be an adjective because in Latin, adjective comes after the noun. So what kind of doctor is it? Good doctor. It's a good, not bad doctor. It's a good doctor. Helps. Who? I want to know. Who does the good doctor help? Please don't end the sentence. Good doctor helps who? Puerum. playroom, which is our direct object because it has the ending. So good doctor helps a boy. Did someone say something about the verb? Oh, the verb changes to verb transitive. Thank you. So now it becomes good doctor helps a boy. Again, notice third grade, this is very important. Your subject noun and your adjective have the same ending, but in Latin, adjective comes after the noun. It's Dr. Good helps a boy. But don't write it like that in English. We don't speak like that in English, okay? Alrighty, let's see if you can translate on your own for page 171. Good luck.